You got the apartment dweller's cowboy here, trying to figure out what it takes to live in this world. So I received this Samsung UN55TU7000FXZA smart TV as a gift. And it's a pretty good TV, great picture quality. But as you can see, it came with no legs. It was a gift. Person lost the legs. They had it wall mounted, so I didn't want to wall mount it, so I just propped it up on a couple of washcloths. And it's functional but not very attractive or stable, so I ordered from Samsung's parts dealer, J&J International Parts, a couple of legs. They were about 52 bucks, 26 bucks a piece, so don't lose your legs. I ordered them on January 17th and they didn't show, so I called the phone number and said, hey, what's up with my order on February 7th? They told me on the phone it was back ordered and may take a couple of more weeks. Well, lo and behold, here it is February 9th, just 2 days later, and those legs have arrived. Here's my order. February 7th was the back order for the 2 legs. I got them in my possession. We're going to put them on. So this is what they sent me here. Looks like 2 legs and a couple of these mystery clips. Let's see what we can do with this TV to get it set away. So I've taken the TV down off the wall, put it on the floor sideways so I can get a good look at the bottom of the TV. And you'll see now the hole for the left and the right legs, and you can tell which one is left and right if you look closely, because they marked an indicator L on the hole right here. It's funny, the left leg is actually on the right side of the TV facing. Kind of odd, so just look for that letter L. Next, pick up your leg, search for the letter L, and you've matched up. You've got the left hand leg for the left hand insert hole. I'm just going to turn it to the side here, insert it, line it up, and it goes in pretty lickety split just like that. Once installed, the leg is a little bit, it's not exactly perpendicular to the TV. It's got a little spread on the front side. Yeah, let's do now the same for the right leg. Again, just insert it in the hole, give it a little push, and it's ready to go. One final note here is the legs are very secure, but this is a tall TV. It's kind of top heavy. And so if you have small children who might tend to want to pull on this TV, you might want to affix a strap to the back of the TV to make sure the child can't pull it down on themselves. Now I got the legs on the TV. The TV is now on my custom-made TV stand. About 11 inches wide board is what you need at the top. That's what you need to get those legs in place. And we're all squared away. Now, J&J International is the authorized dealer for Samsung parts. But I found another site here, just doing a model search, of something called tvpartstoday.com, and they claim that these legs might be $14 a piece. So the Samsung dealer charges a little bit more. But shop at your own risk. You've got the apartment dweller cowboy trying to learn how to live in this world. I hope you like my video. Let me know what you think. And if anybody knows what these extra 2 pieces are, these 2 clips that they sent with the legs do, hey, put a message in my box down below. Let me know what they're for. Much obliged. See you on the next on the next operation.